My name is Carolyn Kellerman Millheiser. I'm the great-granddaughter of Joseph Lodge. Joseph Lodge didn't name it Lodge. He named it the Black Lot Foundry. Why? Because he was a shy, unassuming person, didn't ever brag about himself, and he named it in honor of the priest that had served South Pittsburgh for 2.5 years that he really liked. When the Black Lot Foundry burned, it burned in May, I believe. It was mostly manual labor, very little equipment other than a cupola to melt the iron. And they bought what they called a pasture down where the 6th Street Foundry is today. And in August, they poured the first casting in that new facility. And at that time, it was incorporated as Lodge Manufacturing Company.